Welcome home, glorious Bitcoin truth seekers. It is Tuesday, November 24th, 6:49 a.m. here in the Arizona desert. Here's the cool intro. As always, go to the Bitcoin Daily View to see show notes and cool stuff. There's some recent interviews I've done with people related to crypto, like Bob Kudla here and VP from No Nonsense 4X. These are must listens. All right, do not miss TradingView Black Friday sale. It only goes on for about another 3 days or so. Whatever plan you can handle, get it. I was pro last year. I'm going premium this year. It's worth it. All right, Ethereum. It's now really getting underway with the 2.0 version. The Modern Investor talks about it here. I will link to that in the show notes. Expect some crazy Lambo action from Bitcoin, from Ethereum, especially since it just dumped because Bitcoin pumped. It ain't going to stay dumped. Buy that dip. Not financial advice. I'm just a crazy person on the internet who's very happy this morning because the market is pumping. So, as always, not financial advice, entertainment purposes only and ever. With that said, yes, always do what the World Economic Forum tells you and get ready for the Great Reset. I know I am. All right, KRI. It's an old indicator. It's older than RSI. It's a new one that I've been checking out. I tell you what, add that to your chart, set it to 20, and boom, you might be glad you did. Start playing with that if you so desire. I'm finding it to be very, very useful. Bitcoin today, 19,229, ravishing. Ethereum in the red, but it will not stay there very long, I guarantee you that. XRP, hopes and dreams have been made. It's pumping and looks like it will continue pumping. Link is back in the game, up 2%. Litecoin in the green, light green though at 87. Cardano, 2.22%. The market is glorious. EOS, finally, people have been in the hole for so long are probably celebrating, up 6.5%, or at least they're beginning to celebrate as its chart is looking better. Sorry, people in 2020 who hodled EOS, but maybe your day has come. All right. 3.9 billion in volume last 24 hours. That's crazy. A whole 2 billion of that on Ethereum. And Coinbase, I hope it hung in there, 535 million. So half a billion on Coinbase in volume. I'm telling you, if it can stop crashing when the market pumps or dumps, we're going to see a billion in volume before 2020 is over on Coinbase, I bet you. But anyway, 2 billion in volume on Binance. Let's see where that market sentiment is on Binance. Longs 73%, shorts 26%. So I'm going to call today's market sentiment Lambo. All right. Now, we were going into a wedge pattern here on Bitcoin. I shouldn't say a wedge, kind of I like to call this a compressing wedge. I mean, I don't do shapes a lot, to be honest with you. I mostly trade off moving averages. But undeniable, in the 45-minute chart here on Bitcoin versus Tether on Binance, we have been cruising up, bouncing off the 200 moving average here and there. We've been staying very, very positive. Directional index is green. ADX is in the right place. RSI is a little high, but can certainly continue going sideways. KRE up there, green, can certainly continue going sideways. Plenty of room. We got room to go up. We're above the 200 moving average. Notice this morning, we bounced off the 200 moving average, so we went below this. I call it a compressing wedge. There you go. That's Craig's term for it. Compressing wedge. We're going sideways. We had to do something. We broke below the wedge. We bounced off this white moving average here, which is the 200 moving average. Wicked below it. Big money. Wrecked. Lots of longs to make liquidity for itself. And then boom, off that 200 moving average, we bounce right through that compressing wedge. We are on a rocket ship to Pluto. Sanity is gone. You can't chart this. Who knows what's going to happen? You just got to wait for that turnaround. This could be a Darth. Look at this. Here's a Darth Maul doji right there. Another one. So basically, they are stop hunting everybody. Whatever you're doing, just continue doing it. I hope you are in the right place. It's coming in at 19,190. We have no idea where this is going to go, but this is one heck of a powerful move. And one thing we do know is alts, many of them did get wrecked. But it's a fine thing. Ethereum, especially with Ethereum 2.0 in the works, coming out, getting close. It's happening quicker than we would have imagined. Just check out the video from the Modern Investor that I posted. I'll put it in the show notes. Good things are happening there. We had a powerful break through the 200 moving average not too long ago, and now we are rocket shipping to Pluto. It has been hot. Look at this massive dump today with Bitcoin pumping. And what do we got now? A powerful green candle. We are above the 200 moving average. It is glorious. Directional index is in the red, but it's trending towards the green. ADX is in the right spot. RSI is at the bottom. KRA is at the bottom. This thing is it will continue this. I'm telling you, I believe, not financial advice, of course, but if I do a little bit of a channel here on this, all right, let me just try to somehow make this happen. Anyway, look at that. I have a feeling that we will go at least back to the heartbeat of this channel. We're rocking. This is Ethereum This is Ethereum versus BTC. All right, this is definitely a trade that I've been looking at. We'll look at Ethereum just versus USDT on Binance, but this is Ethereum versus USBTC. Ethereum versus BTC on Binance. So we're going to get back to the heartbeat of this channel today. We're probably going to continue moving up. So I've been trading in and out of this recently. I did sell a little while ago, and I was thinking this is just too hot. Where am I going to get back in? You know where I'm getting back in for my long-term Ethereum BTC swing trade? Right now, after this video. This is rocking. We will be back to the top of this in no time. There's so much momentum right now for Ethereum, especially with 2.0 coming out. Woo! Hell yeah. All right. Ethereum versus USDT on Binance kind of looks the same. Basically, we are well above the 200 moving average. You know, if you've caught this dump, great. If you caught this dump, great. But basically, this might be one of the last chances that you're going to get before this thing is $800 maybe. Not financial advice, that's just my opinion. But we are rocking shipping to Pluto. As 2 comes out with the staking that's going on, and etc. A modern investor does explain it very, very well here, so I'll leave it to him. But things are happening for Ethereum way quicker than we would have thought. This might be your last dip before it is just in forget it Lambo territory, FOMO if you can. All right, not financial advice, entertainment purposes only. Directional index is in the red, but it's turning green. It will be green before too long. Stochastic RSI and KRE are at the bottom. This thing's got room to go. This might be the last chance in 2020. You got to ride that Ethereum unicorn, especially, hey, this swing trade with Ethereum BTC, that's sweet spot right there. Woo! I'll tell you what, this is like a monster truck rally. I may have a whole seat, but I only need the edge this morning. All right, XRP versus Tether on Binance. Okay, as you can see, it took that hardcore dump, but it is like a rocket ship to Pluto. It is not going to take that. If I kind of make a channel here, you know, boom, look at this, make a channel, and look at that, boom. It will be back at the top of that channel, or at least the mid-range before too long. Look at that. You're already missing your chance to get in if you want to buy that dip if you so desire. The directional index is green. ADX is in the right place. Stochastic RSI is down at the bottom. Carries at the bottom, coming back up. We have just shaken off a lot of like over steam, you know, kind of like when that and for Bitcoin and the alt market, Ethereum, which is kind of this like, Ethereum is not exactly the alt market to me. You have like the Bitcoin market, you have the ETH market, then you have the alt market. And so for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the alt market, we were like a choo-choo, an old steam engine. Once in a while, you got to blow that horn or the thing blows up. So we had to blow off some of this, you know, extreme extension, overextension we may have had during this pump. And boom, we just did. What a glorious entry for XRPUSDT, if you so desire. Entertainment purposes only. One of my favorites, DGB, Digibyte against Bitcoin. Check this out. I mean, it's been a struggle. It's kind of been a downwards, you know, move for quite a while, but it started to flirt with this 200 moving average again, break above it, break below it. But this morning, look at this. It has been making a beautiful rocket ship to Pluto move recently, kind of a slow rocket ship to Pluto. It's been working on moving up. This morning, it got wrecked. It got crushed. But look at that. It did not go below the 200 moving average on this 45-minute chart. Now it's making a turnaround. Directional index is working on moving towards the green. RSI is at the bottom. KRA is at the bottom. Whoa, I'm telling you what a great alt move. I'm going to get in on this one after the video. Litecoin versus USDT. This thing's been a steady cruiser with some nice dumps that people could have bought into. It really didn't it got affected this morning, and now it's recovering also well above the 200 moving average. It didn't even bounce down to it. It is trending down in the ADX, and the directional index is red, but still it's going to move towards turnaround. The directional index is already, as you can see, it's moving towards a turnaround there. Looking good. Stochastic RSI, bottom. And then, of course, so is the KRE. So we are just, this is a glorious, glorious time. Everybody, I wish you well. This is a glorious time of the year because it's the Black Friday sale over there at TradingView. Hop in if you do that kind of thing. Ethereum 2.0 is making it happen. I mean, if you're into Ethereum BTC, boom, what a great move right now. If you like Ethereum versus USDT, you got a slight dip you can hop in on. Bitcoin took a dump this morning. I tell you what, though, if you ask me, that was just a coordinated dump and pump to create liquidity, because if you have been paying attention, it's getting scarce. I could link to it in the show note afterwards. I'll put it in the show notes, but so I don't have it here to see. But really, Grayscale and Square, basically, PayPal, are buying all the Bitcoin as it is mined, and there's a deficit. I mean, that it needs to buy. So literally, it's getting scarce. Don't be so sure that there's infinite Bitcoin and Ethereum out there in the market just to buy when you want it. I think 2020, before the end of the year, is just my entertainment purposes only, not financial advice, but I think we're going to literally, I think we're already seeing it. We're going to see, holy crap, it's getting harder to buy. Exchanges are going to have issues, I think, and we're going to find that, holy crap, there's only 21 million, and a lot of big money has a lot of it. So hey, little money or big money, wherever you are in the game, boom, it's boom time. 2020's ending. Remember what happened after last Thanksgiving? Bam! Rocket ship to Pluto. Go back and look at it on the charts. I think it's already starting. It can't wait. It's glorious. Believe in good things. And go out there and just do great stuff. This is a glorious day. Feel good. Be good. I will see everybody tomorrow, and I look forward to it. Make some money. I wish for you your own personal gold-plated Lambo in 2020.